In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to connect Gumroad to Linktree. First, open Gumroad in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you are inside your dashboard, go to the Products section from the left sidebar. Here you will see all the products available in your store. Now select the product you want to promote on your Linktree page. After opening the product, copy the product URL or share link. Next, open Linktree and log into your account. Inside your Linktree dashboard, click Add New Link. Paste your Gumroad product link into the URL field. After that, enter a title for the button so visitors know what the product is about. You can use clear names like Buy My ebook, Download My course, or Get the template. Once finished, turn the link on so it becomes visible on your Linktree page. Now your Gumroad product will appear directly inside your Linktree bio page, allowing visitors to purchase your product easily from social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. You can also rearrange the links to place your best-selling product at the top for better conversions. If you do not have a product yet, go back to Gumroad and click New Product. Then choose the product type such as a digital product, course, membership, ebook, or tutorial. Add the product name, price, description, and save the product before copying the link. And that's how to connect Gumroad to Linktree. Thanks for watching and goodbye.